Before running any Facebook ads, it is critically important that you know how much money you make per customer. If you don't have that number, you'll have no idea how much it's worth spending per customer. The first question you have to answer is, how much money do I make per customer for about 6 to 8 months? Then, how much profit do I make from that person in 6 to 8 months? The higher the number, the more money you can spend to acquire that person. If your profit margin is not at least $70, it will likely be difficult to scale your ad campaigns. This is why, in my opinion, high ticket product sales are the greatest way to go on Facebook, because you have so much money to spend to acquire just one customer. Not only that, but as time goes on, Facebook's only going to get more expensive. Cost per impression and cost per click is going to go up, which means that that average profit margin is going to have to go up too to continue making money. This is why it's so important for you to have your numbers down before you spend anything on Facebook. So my question to you, how much money do you make on average per customer?